A particular learning activity in grade 8 math in IXL, and that is D.24, divide mixed numbers word problems. So let's take a look at D.24. And if I need to, I'm going to open up Jamboard. Let's open up a Jamboard and work through some problems. And it turns out I already have a Jamboard because I thought I was recording for 5 problems, and apparently I was not. So that's unfortunate, but that's okay. Let's go to the 6th slide here and get ready to work on this next problem. Jada feeds each of her dogs 1/4 of a can of food each day. She uses a total of half of a can of food each day. How many dogs does Jada have? Okay. Here's some funny sounds coming from outside the room. That's all right. So, all right, so Jada feeds each of her dogs 1/4 of a can. She goes through a total of 1/2 of a can each day. This is the total. So we need to break up this half into quarters to find out how many dogs Jada has, because each dog is eating 1/4 of a can. So we need to ask exactly how many quarters are being eaten. So 1/2 times, remember we're going to flip this sign. That becomes multiply, and switch the sign and flip the fraction. I guess it doesn't matter which words you choose, right? Switch, flip, flip, switch. 4/2 equals 2 dogs, which makes sense when we do some estimation. That half of a can, because half of a can is 2/4, so we're saying she feeds each of her dogs 1/4. She will have 2 dogs. Next one, workmen used 3/5 of a pallet of pavers to build some steps leading up to the mansion. They used 1/5 of a pallet for each step. How many steps did they build? Right. So let's take a look at this problem. Go on to our 7th slide here. Copying that problem and stretch it out. Okay. So workmen have 3/5 of a pallet, and they use 1/5 of a pallet for each step. So we want to divide this 3/5. That's how much they used in total. And we want to find out how many 1/5 did they use, because that's how much is required for each step. So we're being asked to find out the number of steps. That means we need to find out how many of these fit in here, right? So 3/5 divided by 1/5. We're going to switch that sign times and flip the fraction. Equals 15 over 5, which is the same as, oh, by the way, you could cross cancel here, which is the same as 3. So going back here, that is our answer, 3 steps.